Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mara and in this video I'm just making a quick and easy phone charm. I have a different variety of beads and charms that I've gotten from Amazon or just some that I've had already. And you can use any type of beads that you want, whatever you like. These ones I got from Amazon, they're just flower charms with holes for beading. These are also flower charms, but these ones have hooks on them and I thought they were pretty cute, so I got them. These are leaves that you can add to your flowers to make it look really cute. And then I have these beads that I've had already. And yeah, so I'm gonna put everything together and I have a feeling it's gonna look really good. So if you wanna see how it looks when it's finished, keep watching and we'll see how it turns out. Here I'm just placing all the beads where I want them to be, so that way when I put it together, I have an idea of how I want it to look in the end. These here are eye pins and they're used to help you connect the beads together. So I picked a good size for the bead, so I'm putting the eye pin through the hole, and then after I do that, I'm going to grab my plier, and it's going to be a round nose plier, I believe that's what it's called, and I'm going to bend it to make a loop. I'm just using a flat nose plier in my right hand just to keep it steady while I bend it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of the beads. Okay, so I finished adding the eye pins to the beads. So now what I have to do is I'm gonna have to connect them. So I'm just opening the end of an eye pin and I'm going to attach it to a loop of another. And then when you're done with that, you should have a whole link of a phone charm. I forgot to mention, when I open the end of the eye pin to add the charm, I just close it right back with the pliers. This is how it looks. I think it came out so cute. Now I just have to add the strap and then we'll be done. So here is the black strap that I'm going to be using for the charm. It has a jump ring on the end of it, so I'm just going to open the jump ring and attach the charm, and then that's it. And I'm just using this plier to help me open the jump ring to attach the charm. And here's the completed phone charm. I think it came out so cute. It was really quick and easy to do, so let me know what you guys think in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day, evening, or night.